Today guys, we are going to be making a potato leek and fennel soup for veganary. It's going to be amazing. Stick around, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulies Kitchen. My name's Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to make a potato leek and fennel soup for veganary. It's an absolutely stonking vegan recipe. Just for the record, I'm not vegan. This isn't a vegan channel. So guys, if this is your first time here, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release the next video, which will be really soon. But guys, we're going to dive straight in. I'm going to show you exactly what you need. And everything that you will need for this recipe is right here. If you do miss these ingredients, don't worry about it. I will be putting these in the info box below, so do check out there for these and you'll catch them all down there. As well as those ingredients, you'll also need 150 ml of cashew nut milk. First thing we need to do is we need to take our red onion and our sharp knife and we're just going to cut straight down the middle, just like that. We're going to take off the ends, we're going to peel them, and then finally we're going to chop them. We're going to take a glass dish and we're going to pop all of our onions in there like that. All we need to do now is wait for the tears because they're coming. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our garlic, smash it open just like that, and we're going to pick out 2 of the big cloves. Not very big here. I'm going to take 3. Let's put all this down here. I'll go through loads of garlic. We're going to peel these. We're going to take our fine grater and we're just going to mince our garlic in with our onions. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our leek and we're going to cut that straight down the middle, cut off the ends, and we're just going to slice this. So we're going to take another glass bowl and we're going to pop our leeks into this one. Last thing we need to do is we need to take our fennel. We're going to cut this in half, chop off the ends, cut off the base bit, the root, the base bit. I'm going to go for the base bit. And then all we're going to do is we're going to slice this really finely. So let's take another glass bowl and pop that in there like that. We're going to take our potatoes. Now I have baked these and they've been in the oven at 180 degrees for about 1.5 hours to 2 hours and they're nice and soft. Now the reason I've done that is to concentrate the potato flavour in them. And all we're going to do is we're going to gently roll these and we're going to spoon out our potato into the bowl. So what we need to do now is we need to take our walnut oil and pour this into our frying pan. So let's take a lighter and we're going to light our stove underneath our saucepan. So while we're letting that heat up, we're going to take a saucepan, we're going to put it at the front of the stove and we're going to light that one as well. So we're going to take our stock and put our stock in the saucepan. And we're also going to add our potato just like that. Now once our oil is nice and hot like that, we're going to take our onions and our garlic, our leeks and our fennel and turn the heat down. So we're going to keep cooking our veggies until it looks like this. Now that it does, we're going to take this, we're going to pop this into our saucepan with our stock and our potatoes. I'm going to make sure we scrape that saucepan to get all that lovely delicious flavour out of the frying pan and into the saucepan. So what we're going to do is we're going to light the other stove because it's a bit more powerful and we're going to bring our saucepan across. So now that it's starting to bubble like this, we're going to take a pinch of rosemary and we're just going to sprinkle that in there as well like that. I'll put another pinch, that wasn't very much. There we go. So now that it's bubbling away nicely like this, we're going to turn off the heat and we're going to bring our saucepan over across to here. As you can see, it's really lovely and thick, but what we need to do is we need to blend this up. So let's dive down here, let's get our blender. We need our blender cup. Let's pour this in. Right, I have no idea where my lid is, so I'm going to use a plate because I don't want this to go and destroy my kitchen, because that might happen. And then all we're going to do is we're going to switch it on and blend it. As you can see, it's lovely and thick, but what we need to do is we're going to put 150 ml of cashew nut milk in there. Lovely. Let's take this off. Let's get rid of this. And we want to take a nice soup bowl, pop that there, and we're going to pour our soup into our soup bowl. So yeah guys, that's how you make a creamy potato, leek and fennel soup. It's absolutely amazing and there's no dairy in there at all. It's 100% vegan and it tastes absolutely amazing. I can't wait to eat this. So guys, do remember to like, comment, subscribe and hit that bell button so you do find out when I release my next video, which will be really soon. But in the meantime guys, take care, happy cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. So we're going to take our ratatouille thing. Well, maybe I'm not, maybe I'm just going to chuck it on the floor.